There's it. We've got the record button. I've got my guests here in front of me. Thank you so much once again, Renee. En jy het vir my Roger Fraser saamgebring van Le Merchant.
That's right.
Le Merchant. Roger, amazing. I've done some snooping and what have you to check out what's going on with your business. In genade mense, julle moet hierdie ding bietjie gaan kyk. Le Merchant, dit word gespel LEMARCHAND.co.za. Hulle het 'n pragtige webwerf. And you guys are here in the
Industrial area?
Industrial area,
yes.
yes.
In a Manus industrial area, yes.
genade, en ons weet nie van jou nie.
Yeah, you see.
And you've been in the business for 10 years already.
Yes, Le Merchant has actually been going for 24 years, and I've been the owner for the last 10 years. But
My aarde. Now, the one thing, you've got a hamper that you've given us that we can give away to our beautiful listeners today. But then there's also a 3,000 Rand prize that you are putting up for restaurants. Please, restaurants in our area. And we are going to take this, Renee, to our Facebook, to the Restaurants SA Facebook.
Absolutely.
And that is where the participants will then go and enter, and you will construct that this afternoon, this evening, and from tomorrow morning it's open, and then sort of Wednesday, I think Wednesday,
100%.
this time we announce the winner there.
On radio.
And we're going to do it with that random number creator that I always use here for my quizzes. And even if it's telephonically, it's going to be perfect. And then we'll announce which restaurant that's taken part, that's taken the time and trouble to go to Restaurants SA Facebook. You must like the Facebook in the first place. You must follow. And in the third, then you have to send Renee a message there. And it will be, she will put it beautifully, exactly how you're going to do it. And then you can win that amazing 3,000 Rand stock from Le Marchand. Roger, what type of stock do you guys? I know, I've checked it, but for our people who's now listening.
yeah, Pitt, we do varied products. It's mostly dry grocery goods. Basically anything that a restaurant would need. A lot of dry grocery items, as well as cold items, cheeses. Cheeses is a very big line. Butter as well, bacon, and mozzarella cheese is very big. Frozen fries, frozen chips, very big line. So basically anything that a restaurant needs. And we've got some fantastic customers out there. So the whole reason for this, I've seen Renee very active in the marketplace over the years. And I've always thought I'd like to be part of it with her, because she really promotes the restaurants, and we are linked to the restaurant industry in the Overberg. So it's fantastic that Renee came to see me, and we put this together. And it's a celebration to offer this prize. It's a big prize of 3,000 Rand free
Absolutely.
stock.
Brilliant.
And it's basically saying thank you to customers who've been loyal to us. And just to celebrate our 10th year in existence.
Well, I hope that through this, you might just get a name and a link to some more customers that might just
Absolutely.
join and start buying from Le Marchand.
That would be fantastic. That's
Now,
very
Roger,
good.
I also have to thank you. You've given me a case of beautiful La Vie mineral water here. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. Rena has seen me. You see, this is my style. Because I cannot do my job here without a bottle of water. And
No.
it must be something with a prop or something like that. Because if it falls over onto this thing,
Yeah, you're right.
I'm referring here to the mixing desk. Daar mag nie water naby dit kom nie. Renee, you are on your way on this. Oh, by the way, I must just congratulate you and compliment you. Hair looks beautiful.
Oh, Shane, thank you so
Does
much.
it? Does it? And you are on your way on this road show next week together with
Karine.
Karine. Yes. Tell us more.
Yeah, so we've had such a busy week, and besides trying to get all the printing done, banners, pamphlets, leaflets, vouchers, etc., and I just need to just say once again, thank you to Suzuki, because they have sponsored every single thing, and I've been chatting to them daily,
Wow.
and to the printers, and it's pressure. And in fact, I had to delay the roadshow by a week because of the printing deadlines. But thank you, Suzuki. You have been, I just cannot, you've just been absolutely unbelievable. And so we will be leaving on Tuesday morning, very, very early.
Right.
And I'm just going to quickly mention.
Yes, please,
where
give
we're
us
gonna
give
be.
us the itinerary.
So on Tuesday morning, on the 9th of June at 10 a.m., our first stop will be at Stanford, and it will be at the Stanford Kitchen. And thank you, William, so much for giving us your venue. And then at 2 o'clock, we'll be in Gansbaai at the Great White House. And we'll have drinks and beverages sponsored by Lamont. So thank you, Lamont Wine, for all of that. And then on the 10th of June, at 10 a.m.
That's Wednesday, no?
That's Wednesday. We'll be at Kleinmond at Sea Shack Restaurant.
Yes.
Serving mimosas. And I just want to mention to everybody, as I said, this is not just for restaurants, it's for delis, bakeries, anything that's got to do with food. You don't have to RSVP. You can simply just pitch up. We're ready for you. And it will be absolutely wonderful for you to attend so that you can see the true benefits of Restaurants SA. So 10 o'clock, as I said, Kleinmond Sea Shack. Then at 3 o'clock, we'll be in Hermanus at the Burgundy Restaurant. So please, Hermanus, we've got people from all other areas signing up. I've had 3 people yesterday from Stray Spa that have joined Restaurants SA.
Wow.
Please, Hermanus, you know that I've always supported you for the last 10 years. Please support Restaurants SA. Then on the 11th of June at 11 a.m. in the morning, we will be at Greyton at the Lucy Blue Restaurant. So Greyton, guys, please, I'm just asking all of you, I cannot get to every single town. Please join us and hear what this is all about. Everything is transparent. I'll be able to show you in black and white what you're going to actually get from Restaurants SA. If you can't make the roadshow, you all know my number. Everybody knows me. Please get in contact, and I will chat to you
Easy as
personally.
falling out of a tree. Renee Hartsleaf, once again, and I do this every week, I say and I stand at attention and I speak in capital letters because of this initiative of yours.
Thank you so
It's
much.
amazing. Roger, have you ever heard of anything like this happening?
No, it's really fantastic for
It's
visitors
unique.
visiting the area. They'll be able to know exactly where they can go out to eat, whatever meal they choose. So it's really supporting
And
the
it's-
restaurant industry in
Yes.
Overberg and elsewhere, which has a direct effect on us as a supplier to many, many restaurants in the area.
And it's going to make life so much easier for your B&B people, or here, these flats that we've got here in the
Yes.
waterfront. If that paper is there, you said it's
The
an
map, A2 map.
A2 map. If it's there on a dresser or whatever, people can check out, see,
Absolutely.
oh, that's in my area, and go to the scan code, scan it, and immediately go to Restaurants SA's website, where they can also do a booking at that restaurant
there
and
and there.
check out the,
The
menu
menu.
and prices and everything.
And they can check out the Google reviews.
Absolutely. Nee, kyk, dit is so
It's a
innoverend.
no-brainer. It's absolutely is a no-brainer, and it really is. It's doing so well. We've had Kostelik Restaurant also sign up yesterday, and
Wow.
he's busy with something else as well. And he said that whoever he's busy with, they're going to sign up too. So, and then Straysbar was like so shocked. In one day, 3 different people signed up, which is wonderful. So the word is spreading right down there as well.
Absolutely. Nou mense, julle moet nou mooi onthou Le Marchand. En hy word gespel LEMARCHAND. That's how you spell Le Marchand. And what does Le Marchand do? They supply restaurants with all their dry goods, if I could say that.
Yes, 100%.
The grocery side of things.
Grocery side, and then refrigerated goods
Yes.
and frozen
and
goods.
frozen goods.
Yes.
Yes. So that is the place. If you've got a restaurant, or even
A bakery,
a
deli.
bakery, or you have to supply people.
Bakeries,
It's not
bakeries
wholesale.
are-
They can come to you.
yes,
It's retail as well.
The artisan bakeries are growing tremendously, and we've got some fantastic customers in that area. And the product that we've been distributing to them is the Gideon stone ground flour, which is growing tremendously with the products that they're making.
That's very interesting. Now, may I just ask, is your stuff that you buy in, you get it from all over?
Yes, we're very fortunate that we've got one major supplier and we've got a tremendous relationship with them. So about 90% of our product comes from them. But then we've been selected as distributors on certain products, and that would be the Levy water that you mentioned
Yes.
from Franschhoek. Fritz and Leeds mixes
Yeah.
is we're
Oh, yes, those
dedicated-
tonics and all those
Yes,
things. Yes, it's a beautiful.
Yes, and then as I mentioned, the Gideon stone ground flour, which is really a fantastic product. Ladysmith cheeses, we are
Oh,
dedicated
yes.
distributor for them. And then, of course, for the pizzas, we distributor for Zandam mozzarella cheeses, which is really a famous brand. And we're very proud to be associated with all those companies.
I have a personal pain with mozzarella. I love it
Oh,
so
I
much.
love it so much. It's one of my favorites.
But it must be, for my household, it
Yeah.
must be grated and put into the freezer, or else it gets moldy because I don't use enough. I'm stingy.
Oh, I love it. I also just want to mention, I'm just not interrupting with Roger here, but if any restaurant or deli or bakery or whatever there is needs anything and they can't find it, if Roger doesn't have it on his premises, he will actually source it and get it for you.
Yes.
Is that right, Roger?
That's 100% right. We have many requests for very strange items, but we do find a way to find it. That's part of what we do. We're a niche market. We're based in Hermanus, so we'd like to offer that excellent service and give the restaurants what they need.
Roger, just to ask, do you have a shop where people can come and walk in, or is it online?
Pitt, yes, we most of our business is distributed to restaurants for deliveries, but it's amazing how through word of mouth, how many walk-in customers we have, regular customers. They're people that bake at home and do cooking classes, etc. So that part of our business with walk-in customers has grown tremendously.
Well, you will see me there.
I'm going to.
Renee,
Yes.
jy's nou op pad op hierdie lekker roadtrip vanaf Dinsdag tot Vrydag volgende week. Maar ons sal met 'n plan maak om Woensdagmiddag, hierso so 4:30 se
Ja.
kant, die restaurant wat wen se naam bekend te maak.
Ons sal dit doen.
And even if it's, but you are just here at Burgundy.
Yeah, so that's
So
absolutely
you walk
perfect.
across here, and then we get the list of names. I
Yes.
just need numbers.
And we can do a draw here.
You tell me how many, and you just as they take part, you number them. We
Yes.
put those numbers into our lucky spinning wheel.
Yeah.
And you sit in front of me, and we click it, and it goes grrr, king. And
Powerball.
then we announce at roughly 4:30 on Wednesday.
Wonderful.
Which restaurant wins this amazing 3,000 Rand
Sure.
prize from
So
Le
generous,
Marchand.
Le Marchand.
Roger Fraser, thank you so much for coming on board with that. That is an amazing one.
Pleasure, Pitt.
And then I've just got one more thing to say about the road show is that Suzuki Hermanus,
Yes.
my automotive partner, they have just been, I'm just can't stop getting over them. They've just supplied me and provided me and done everything for me. They are giving away 1.5 million rands worth of vouchers to every single person that signs up on my road show.
Oh my
And it's
soul.
not just buying a brand new car, it's pre-owned cars with any car on their floor, whether it's a Hyundai or a
whatever.
Jeep or whatever it is, as well as servicing and parts.
And I can't collect those and make it sort of add on.
No, you can't because they're all numbered and they're actually busy getting printed right now. But I mean, what an incredible incentive.
Fantasties.
1.5 million rand.
Wow, baie dankie daarso aan Hester en joh,
Wayne and Alma.
hulle doen hulle ding. Nou ja, mense, nou moet ons vir ons luisteraars vra. Roger, I know you didn't calculate, but what's the worth of that
Hamper.
plus minus 500?
I would say it's close to 500
Close to 500
Yes,
rand,
yes,
because
yes.
it's a beautiful
It's got
array.
everything in it.
It's ek sien daar's bladjang en skoonmaakprodukte en allerlei lekker dinge daarin. And maybe we should have a question now to our listeners.
That'll be fantastic. So this is different to the price
Yeah,
for
this
the
is
restaurant?
this is not the part of the 3,000.
This is a hamper, yes.
Hierdie is vir ons
It's an additional
luisteraars.
prize. Yeah.
En baie dankie daarvoor. Vir jou en Le Marchand. En ek wil graag weet, hoe spel jy daai Marchand? Skryf gou vir my. Marchand. Ek het hom 'n paar keer.
Marchand.
Le Marchand. Die eerste ene wat vir my Marchand korrek hierso deursit op die WhatsApp, kry daardie lieflike
Hamper.
Al
klaar.
Skalk van onrus.
Ja! Skalk wie?
Skalk, jong. Ek moet vir jou sê, nee, dankie. Skalk was heel eerste. Mense julle weet, op Vrydag werk dit die een wat heel eerste is, maar okay. Marionette Hector van Sandpaai het ook deelgeneem, André Leroux van Vermont het deelgeneem. Marietta Bosman het deelgeneem. Ek moet nou Hilda Stroebel het deelgeneem, maar Skalk, jy is ons wenner. En Lucia probeer ook nog, maar sorry mense. Julle weet natuurlik die wat luister versus die wat stroom, daar is so klein bietjie van 'n probleem. Ek gaan nie in daai ede in die Skalk, ek gaan jou besonderhede hierso gee, maar ek wonder Skalk is in onrus of hy dit nie maar by my kan kom haal nie.
Hy kan, definitief.
Skalk, ek reël met jou, dan kom haal jy die boksie daar by my in Sandpaai, dis mos baie maklik. But you also going that way.
No problem. So we'll just do what we normally do.
Skalk,
We'll get his number.
Skalk, ons
and I'll
bel
be in
jou,
touch with
ons
him.
gaan nou vir jou 'n WhatsApp stuur en
Ja.
Renée Hartslief, want sy wil graag 'n fotootjie hê.
Ja, dis reg.
So Renée Hartslief gaan vir jou daar lekker kom en hierdie boks oorhandig met hierdie lieflike goede. Nee, kyk, ek het daarin gekyk en geloer gesê, kyk, die Obies huishouding kan ook daarvan gebruik gemaak het. Weereens Roger Fraser van Le Marchand, baie dankie. Dit is ongelooflik hoe ons mense naderkom en ons mense van Caledon FM bless met sulke lekker pryse
It's
en dinge.
amazing. And I was just thinking, you know, this program, it's just blessing so many people and it's just getting bigger and more listeners.
Ja, wel ek kyk
every
nou hoeveel
week.
mense neem
Can you
skielik
believe
deel.
it?
Dis
It
fantasties.
is
Baie
absolutely
dankie
amazing.
julle. Ons sal volgende week sal ons met suigstokkies ook uit. Nou Renée, jy gaan nou hard werk volgende week. Waar's jy
Ek
Vrydag?
werk elke dag hard.
Ek weet jy werk ek ook, maar waar's jy Vrydag? Volgende week.
Ek is hier.
Jy's hier.
Ja, in my studio.
Ek is so bly. Ek wil vir julle twee weer eens baie dankie sê van Caledon FM se kant af. It's such a pleasure having this chat on a Friday afternoon about Restaurants SA and all the things and the al die ander dinge wat onderbou gee vir ons restaurante en so. Dit is tog te heerlik.
And Pete, I
Yes.
just want to thank you because if it wasn't for you, I'm sure Restaurants SA would still be a success. But you have added to the success, and it is
dankie.
such a great benefit that everybody that joins Restaurants SA gets a free slot on Caledon FM.
You know, and
Nowhere in the world is that.
those slots are worth 1,500 rands
I know
per day,
It's
per
incredible.
chance.
Yeah.
That is a 15-minute interview on Caledon FM. It's 1,500 rands worth
Excellent.
of airtime that we give free and gratis and for nothing.
And I just want to thank you for that.
It is my pleasure, and I hope the boss enjoys and he appreciates how we are trying to build our listenership, because I'm quite sure this is building listenership.
Oh, absolutely.
Because of
definitely.
your beautiful Facebook websites and wherever you daar is Caledon FM se banner is daarby saam en dis vir ons baie baie fantasties.
Yeah, no, we're spreading the news.
Okay, julle moet 'n lieflike naweek hê. Skalk, Piet praat nou met jou oor hierdie en moenie worry nie, jy gaan jou pragtige boksie goedjies kry. Baie dankie Roger. Baie dankie Rene.
Dankie,
Pleasure,
Piet.
Piet. Thanks for having us.
Have
Thank
a
you.
Ja.
lovely en ons speel uit met Bobby Rydell se Volare.